Okay, my name is Teacher Liza. What's your name? Mine? Okay, very good. How old are you? 5 years old. Where are you from? I'm from Vietnam.
Đọc theo cô đi.
Okay. I'm from Vietnam. Okay, good. What color do you like? What color do you like? I like. What color is it? What color is it? Pink. Okay. Now, can you tell me what color is it? What color is it?
Màu gì đấy con? Màu
Okay, English. Blue. Very good. Green. Red. Yellow. Pink. Orange. Purple. Purple. And gray. Gray, very good. Now, can you tell me where's the rectangle now? This one is a rectangle. This one is no shape.
Hình gì con? Đây hình gì?
Square. Square. Circle. Triangle. Okay, it's okay. Now, how about this one? Can you tell me what letter is it? Very good. D. This one. I. This one. M. Now, can you tell me what part of your body is this? Nose. Very good. Fingers. High five. Very good.